Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use select to speak option in your Motorola G34 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open settings and go to accessibility. Here it is a select to speak. You have to just enable this like this, and this is the feature when you want to just speak by the phone. If you can see this, when you just click on this icon, you can have to select this and it will speak automatically itself, you can see. And if you want to just pause this, click on this, and if you want to remove, then press this, and you can remove by this by tapping on this, and you can see the select to speak option is disabled. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.